In this video, I'm going to share how to start a new document within Microsoft OneDrive, and then I'll also share how you can share that document within our school district. So, just a reminder that all students K-12 have access to Microsoft OneDrive, so you can share documents with them, and they can share documents with you. And we can talk more about that in the third video I'll share about Microsoft OneDrive. But to start a new document, you come up to where it says New Document, and they give you these options, and we'll start a new Word document, and they're going to force you to name it next. And we'll click OK. And then it should open up our Word document in Word Online. Now, Word Online is a web-based version of Word where you can access this at home if you don't have Microsoft Office on your computer. Anywhere basically you have access to a web browser, and it works on iPad or in any web browser, which is really slick. The other really nice part about Word Online is that if you have multiple people editing at the same time, so let's say I share this document, which I'll show you in a second, anybody that is working in Word Online, you will see those changes live, so you'll have the live editing feature. You can also open it in Word on your computer if you prefer to have that full version of Word, and then when you click Save, it'll actually save the changes to Microsoft OneDrive versus to your document. So since this document is hosted in Microsoft OneDrive, any changes made to it will be saved within Microsoft OneDrive. And you can access those changes anywhere you have an internet browser. So I'll type into it. You have your other functions. Now when I'm finished, one different piece is I can click on File, and I just click Exit. You can see across the bottom here that it actually says Saved. So it automatically saves for you. And now I'll go back to my documents, and there should be a example here. So what I would do is I want to share this document out. I want to share it with somebody in my class. Notice how you hover over and it's got a lock on it. It says only shared with you. If I click on that lock, there's a couple different options. One, I can generate a link. So this link is helpful. Let's say you're sending an email or you want to post this link in your website, so people can access maybe a syllabus that you have hosted in your Microsoft OneDrive. The nice part about that is anytime that you make changes to that document, wherever that link is at, when people click, those changes will be live for them as well, which is really nice. So if let's say I want to create a view-only link, I have a syllabus that I'm posting online, this will generate that link, and then that is what you would post on your website. The other option is to invite people. This actually invites specific people. Now, all students and staff have access to Microsoft OneDrive in our district. So if I go to search and I just start typing, people's names will pop up. Okay, and what will happen is it'll pop up all of the names that you're looking for. So I found the best way to search is do the first initial and then start typing their last name, and that's the quickest way to find that person. So I want to share this with Mike, and I want him to be able to edit this document. I'm going to require him to sign in. The other thing that's important is where it says show options. You can choose if you want an email to be sent to that person or not. So this might be helpful if you're sending it to a high school student and you want them to be able to get an email saying that your teacher shared this document with you. That's why it would be important to have that box checked. Then you'll click share, and I'm actually going to uncheck it, and click share, and now it should show that that document, a example is you'll have a couple people there saying it is shared. Now I can always go back in and take that sharing away. But that is a way to start a new document within Microsoft OneDrive, and then also how you can share it with somebody within Microsoft OneDrive.